the new Lotus Evija, most powerful production car in the world, 2,000 horsepower. Check this out. The side mirrors are actually a side camera. Fully road legal. Now look at this. The tail lights here are meant to look like afterburners on a jet. Look at this. Goes all the way through here. Now this car is fully electric, so where do you charge it? Right here. Here's the charging port, and they're all made in Britain. Now this is what happens when you put it in track mode. Check this out. That is going to pull the car to the ground. Come around here. This flag can be fully customized with diamonds, with gold, with silver, whatever you want right here. To open the door, it actually has a little door open button on the key fob. There's nowhere here on the door that you can open it. And this is the incredible interior, first look. And besides the Lotus team, I'm the first person in the world who's allowed to drive it. How crazy is that? Take a look at this. This is how you turn her on. Just start stop button, and then neutral, and then into drive. Away we go. Ready? Limited to 130 pieces at $2.5 million each. This center line here can be personalized, so you can have a date or your name, anything you'd like. The side mirror is actually a camera now. The reverse mirror is also a camera. If you push this button, this is like a secret James Bond storage compartment that comes out. Let me show you what happens over here. This design feature here is like putting on warrior paint on your cheeks as you go into war.